Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in from, let's take a look, White Mountain Knives. Alright, so this is going to, I'm going to be opening up, first of all, this is with the Eutectic Field Duty. This is the EFD, great budget knife, 85 bucks. Get it directly from there, or even a lot of the retailers are carrying this now. 14C28N. I know some of you guys are thinking, man, budget knives, it's 50 bucks. For $85 for everything you get on this knife, the action, the way this works, the ergonomics, this is, I call this the most premium budget knife that I have. So definitely recommend this. Highly recommend this knife. This is a great knife. You should check it out. All right, so we're going to look at what we have here today. All right, so let's see what we got. Okay, we got several things in here. Okay, so we got a Kershaw. We got a QSP, we got a CJRB, and a CJRB, and some peanuts. We'll save those peanuts. So I suspect some of these are going to be for the giveaways. So let's look at some of these. Some of these we've already looked at. Maybe we'll take a look again. So this is the J1920 BBK. So let's see what this one is. We've already done an unboxing. We will kind of go past it. So this one right here looks like it is. Okay, this is the, what's this one called? I wish they put their name on there. This is called, I know, I gave one of these away already, and I liked it so much I thought that we should have it again. It's just such a really cool knife. The ergonomics on here, beautiful G10 titanium clip on here, 14C28 black. What is this one called? Hold on a second. All right, I'm back. This is the CJRB Scoria. So we will definitely, we've already done unboxing on this one. I think I gave it away before I did a review. So I thought, hey, you know what? Let's get another one and let's do a review with the second one before we have another giveaway with it. Just seemed like a really good knife. I really like the ergos on this thing. Really great for the hand. I love the finger choil, everything about it. Just really feels like it's a great blade design. I mean, for the price, it's thin, it's very EDC friendly. I really like the liner lock. I love the fact that it's left and right hand tip up carry. Works really great with that liner lock in there. And beautiful thumb studs for great deployment there as well. So, yeah. Anyways, so this is the Scoria. I've already done an unboxing on that one, so I'll put that one to the side for now. This next one, let's see what this one is. Okay, so this is the Mini Pyrite, the White Mountain Knives exclusive in the frag pattern. Now, I believe it's called, they call it, it's a Mini Pyrite frag pattern, but I think they have a different name for it. On the website, they call it something else, but when you order it, that's just what it's called right there. All right, so it's a button lock. Now, there we go. So, this is fresh. Ooh. Yeah, this one needs to break in a little bit. Let's see here, nice and centered. Yeah. Here, yeah, this one's definitely needs a little bit of oil for sure. I don't know if I oiled it when I did the unboxing on the other one, but this one definitely. It's a little tight. I do like the frag pattern. It's aluminum, super light, reversible pocket clip, all that good stuff. Let's see if I can get it here. There we go. To do a wrist action on this because it feels like, yeah, it needs a little bit of oil. But we've already done an unboxing on this one. I think I got this one because I didn't do the review, and again, gave it away before I had a chance to do the review. Got so busy at work, I didn't get a chance to do anything with it. And then this next one, okay, this is one that I have not had before, and this looked really interesting. And I've been into slip joints lately, and I really, here, I'll pull it out, really like my QSP Hedgehog. This is a slip joint that I carry regularly. I have 2 slip joints right now that I carry. Almost had a third one. I had to return that one. That one didn't work out. But I love carrying this Hedgehog. The walk and talk on this is phenomenal. Great, great, great one. So this is another QSP. This is more of a budget-friendly sort of version. This is the Penguin, right? This is the QSP Penguin slip joint. So beautiful back lock there, right? Got the back bar, nice and centered. I love this. Call it a nail nick, but it's like a fuller, not very traditional in one regard. It's got a nice heft to it, steel liners, so you definitely feel some weight. G10, this was an interesting color. They had black, it wasn't available, and I just wanted to get one, and I thought, I know a lot of people who like OD green, and so I figured for a giveaway, this would be really cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that walk and talk is outstanding. Can you, oh yeah, you can finger choke, oh look at that. And if you, oh, that's even better. So if you're cutting and you accidentally hit it, you can hold it from cutting your finger. I love that. So the barley does something like that, which, oh man, I can't wait till the barley comes out. That is a Devo Knives design that's going to be coming out through Urban EDC. So want to get that knife. But I love the full flat grind. This is 14C28N, beautiful, beautiful. Nice satin finish. QSP does a good job. A little sharp on the edges, so if you need, if you had a ferrous rod, you want to start a fire, definitely can use that. Definitely, okay, so I have large hands, as you can see right here, large hands. It fits pretty well in here, so if you have extra large, thinner hands, that's where you're going to be. But with the finger choil, definitely gets you into that extra large, double extra large hands. And even with my meaty finger choil, as long as I'm holding it tight like that, I'm full and free and clear. I can pull down like that. It does get a little close, so if I start to move back and forth, I got to be careful. But if I hold it here like this, I'm perfectly fine. For pinch grip, it's going to work really, really well. And yeah, the walk, nice and solid with that nice crisp half stop. And then the talk. I've been corrected by Lefty and a whole bunch of other people, I believe. Now, I'm hoping I remember this because I always seem to get it wrong. But the consensus was the last time, this is the walk, this is the talk, right? So the walk is the opening, and then the talk is the close. I thought, I don't know, I had got it mixed up. So if somebody knows, and if you have definitive proof, some reference or whatever, then go for it. We do have T6 screws here, T8 there. That is interesting. Now, typically people don't take slip joints apart. I did take my Bayer, my tactile knife company Bayer apart. I have a video on that. If you ever feel courageous enough to do that. That was kind of insane because it has pins internally that's very similar to a traditional slip joint. I literally had to get 2 blocks of wood and then with a rubber mallet hammered them together because they never fit together, and they must press fit them or something to get them in there. So there you go. Just something to think about if you ever do that. Man, I love that walk and talk. It's nice. This is definitely up there. Yeah, it's definitely up there with the hedgehog. Let's feel that. Now, I've had this for a while, and I've used this quite a bit, and it's starting to break in. Feels nice and crisp, but it's still very sharp and crisp. Let's feel this. It's about the same, but you can definitely feel it's pretty crisp and fresh. So, yeah, I'm hoping they'll do, like a contoured shape like that. I do like that shape too. I love this shape. So it's nice. The hedgehog is really cool with that shape, but this would be a really cool shape too. I could really dig that. Oh, if they did their frag titanium over at Traditional Pocket Knives, yeah, that would be cool. All right, very cool. I do dig that a lot. All right, so I'm gonna put this away. It's a little more expensive one, obviously, but this one right here was a pretty good budget knife. I was pretty happy with the price of this one. This one wasn't too terribly bad. And 14C28N, right? That's what I got? Yeah, 14C28N. It's going to be a great knife. It's a beautiful slip joint. It doesn't have a clip, and it doesn't have a leather slip, so you'll have to get that, whoever wins it. But very cool. I'll definitely check that out. I wonder, just wonder. Yeah, it's a little tight. It's a little too big. They are a little bit, yeah, it's a little bit wider, and I don't want to press, I don't want to mess up. This is really for my hedgehog. If I were to get one of these, I'd have its own leather slip. Yeah, really nice. So rounded all the way across the G10 scales, which is beautiful. The back lock is really nice. I mean, the back bar is really nice. Beautifully fitted together. It does have a little lanyard loop, which sometimes for slip joints I can see maybe being important. The G10 has some nice texture to it for sure. I do love this right here. Now it's a little sharp right there, so keep that in mind. But I think, yeah, it's a little sharp there as well. Oh, we got a little got a little bug that flew in here. Where'd that? Summer is upon us. The bugs are coming in and out. We got to keep taking our puppy in and out, and so getting gnats and June bugs everywhere. All right, so yeah, it's a little sharp, but you want that. It's a very tight fit right there, so I don't really want to chamfer that, right? I want to keep that there. So just keep that in mind. If you decide to reach down and dig across, that can cut into you, right? But traditionally, you would have like a leather slip to keep it in. So very, very cool. I do like this nail nick. It's very functional, works really great, works great, you know, has great grip. I can do it, you know, like this. Can do my 2 fingers together like that. I can do the fingertips. That works really nicely. It's nice and it's a nice walk. I really do enjoy the finger twirl. I think that makes it just super outstanding. Everything is rounded around there. Really, really nice. Very functional slip joint. I like that a lot. Very, very cool. All right, so let's take a look at that. Get a nice close look up at this one. Beautiful right there. You can see that. Let's look at the back. It's going to be very similar. Not much difference, except here it says 14C28N. Nice satin finish on there. Beautiful G10. It does come in different colors. Just keep that in mind. If you wanted to, we could do a nice zoom in here. So here's the nice zoom on the blade. Right there, QSP. And there's the handle. Look at the inside. Look at the back side here. And then we can look at the blade here. That nice fuller line, nail nick, whatever you want to call it. I like the finger twirl right there. You can see that. That works out really well. Yeah, so I'm going to go back, zoom out, get you that nice full view. Nice full flat grind. It's not all the way to the top, but it's a good slicer. Definitely it's going to come across. It's a nice pokey tip, definitely for getting into dog food, cat food, fertilizer mulch, you know, cases of water, Amazon boxes, gift boxes, letters, envelopes. This will do well. This will do quite well. Yeah, very, very cool little slip joint. I'm not going to open up the 4th box. We'll make that a separate unboxing because that one's kind of special. All right, so very cool. I'm digging this one. All right, so you saw a couple of boxes for more giveaways, but the big one was this little slip joint right here. I'm super excited about that one. That's going to be a cool giveaway. We'll have to do a full review on that before we do the giveaway, but that'll be fun. All right, so hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, or worthwhile, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to every one of you guys. And if you watch the videos and you like the videos, man, I sure appreciate you guys out there. And if you've already subscribed and all that good stuff, don't forget to hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this video. And also a big thank you to all my channel members out there. For those of you guys who've been there since the beginning, to those of you who joined recently and joined throughout the growth of this channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You have no idea. You really helped this channel to grow, for me to be able to do the things that I get to do. I love this. I love talking knives, sharing knives, talking about knives, reviewing knives, giving you my thoughts on knives. Hopefully, even doing the giveaways, all that stuff. I love all that part. To me, it's a lot of fun. So thank you to every one of you guys out there. I sure appreciate you. And if you thought, hey, I'd like to become a channel member, I'd love to maybe do that. I have 3 different tiers. Check out the description down below. Really low end tier and a little higher end tier. You get certain benefits, right? If you just became a member, or if you've been a member for a while and you're still a member and you haven't emailed me yet, email me with your name and address. I'd like to send you out a sticker. I would like to give all the channel members stickers. And also, all the channel members, there's a once a month giveaway. As long as you're a member during the giveaway and the verification, then hey, you're eligible and could win, right? So once a month giveaway, you usually try to make it a nice giveaway, something hopefully everybody would like. And, you know, there's that. So, you know, I'm not trying to lure you in, but it's my way to say thank you. I really appreciate you. All right. If you haven't already, check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.